Greetings, alchemists. In this guide, I will show you navigate CoinmarketCap. CoinmarketCap is a website that displays most of the biggest tokens on the market. Click the link to CoinmarketCap. Join the group in Telegram to learn more and get calls. When you first enter the website, you see the first top 100 tokens on the market. You also get information about at which market cap they currently are at, the volume, and the last day's performance. Scroll down. To see more tokens, click on the menu. Hover the mouse on cryptocurrencies and click Categories. Here you see different categories of crypto. Click on Memes to check the category out. Here are the biggest meme tokens displayed. Here you see the Bitcoin dominance. That number stands for at which percentage Bitcoin's market cap is currently at compared to other cryptocurrencies. Beside it, you see the Gwei indicator for Ethereum. That indicates how much a transaction on Ethereum costs right now. Click the CoinmarketCap logo. Here we see the Fear and Greed Index. That indicates the current emotional state of the market. It goes from 0 to 100. The higher the number, the higher greed and vice versa. Click More. Here we see charts. For example, we can take a look at the Fear and Greed Index for a longer time period to gather information about the market. Scroll up, and there we find the option to create a watch list of tokens. Click Portfolio. Here we can sign up and log in to create our own portfolio of the tokens that is owned. For high market cap tokens, this is recommended. For smaller ones, there are other ways, such as Deck Screener, for example. Use the search bar in the top right-hand corner to find tokens. Just type the name or contract address. Click on the desired token. On the top left-hand corner, we see the name, price, and the last 24 hours performance of the token. Underneath it, the option to add the token to a watch list or the portfolio is present. We see the market cap volume, and the circulating supply, which indicates how many tokens are available on the market to purchase. Fully diluted value indicates the total supply of all tokens. Next, we see the contract address of the token. Use the address when you purchase a token. Then it will be the correct one. We can also see the social links such as the website and X account to the token. Here we see the chart. To see the token from a longer time perspective, simply click one of the different time frames on the bar. We can also shift the chart to view the market cap. Then just simply click the icon market cap. Scroll down to see at which exchanges the token are able to be purchased, and down below there are news about the token. On the right-hand side, other users are able to make comments about the token. This can provide useful information. Scroll down again. Here we see the token unlocks for the token, which means that when the team unlocks token to be able to be purchased by the market, the price can fluctuate. We can also see how many percentage of the tokens the holds. A too high number is not good. We can also find information about the token and its holders. We can see how many percentage of the tokens is owned by whales and other wallets. A whale is someone who owns a large percentage of a token, large enough to have an impact of the price, then the whale sells the tokens. Also, the time period for which wallets have owned the token. Scroll up, hover the mouse on cryptocurrencies. Click Global Charts. Here we see charts. The chart to the right displays how many percentages Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies hold of the market. Other charts show volume, and the derivatives market indicates the amount of money that is spent on leverage trading. Scroll up, hover the mouse over cryptocurrencies. Then click Token Unlocks. Here we see upcoming token unlocks. That means that a percentage of a specific token will be unlocked and able for the market to purchase. We can see how many token that will unlock and at which date. This can increase or decrease the price of a token drastically. If many tokens are about to be unlocked, the price of a token could potentially go down. Hover the mouse on cryptocurrencies and click Recently Added. Here we see tokens that are recently added to CoinmarketCap. This can be an opportunity to find a token that will increase drastically in price since it just have been added to CoinmarketCap and are visible to a larger consumer base, but is not a guarantee. To get listed on CoinmarketCap, you have to pay a large sum of money. So if a token is listed here, it is a good indicator of a devoted team behind the token. Scroll up and hover the mouse over exchanges. Click Spot. Here we find a list of all the exchanges where you can trade tokens without leverage. We can also see a score indicating the rating of the exchanges. Under the tab Community, CoinmarketCap have different categories where you can gather information from communities, etc. Under the Learn tab, CoinmarketCap provides additional noteworthy information. Lastly, we see in the top right-hand corner the amount of tokens and exchanges that are listed on CoinmarketCap and the total market cap of the entire crypto market. Now you know how to navigate around some of CoinmarketCap. See you soon again, Alchemist/Cryptonite.